Hi there and welcome to the Contabo channel. I'm Sabina and today I'll show you how to upload files to your Contabo server using different methods depending on your operating system. Whether you're working with Windows or Linux, I'll walk you through the best approach for transferring files efficiently. Let's get started. The easiest way to transfer files between two Windows systems is via remote desktop connection. Connect your Contabo server using remote desktop connection. Check our guide in the description if you need help setting this up. Open File Explorer and go to this PC. A new drive should appear under Devices and Drives, which is your server connection. Copy and paste your files to this drive as you would with a normal folder. Here is a tip. Regularly backup your data as automatic backups are not enabled by default on your Contabo server. For Linux to Windows transfers, you can use rdesktop if your system has a GUI. Alternatively, set up an FTP server on your Windows server. Install an FTP server such as FileZilla server on your Windows machine. Once installed, connect via your GUI file manager or a terminal FTP command. This will allow you to transfer files securely to your Windows Contabo server from Linux. Always backup your files manually, as automatic backups are not set up by default. For Linux to Linux transfers, use SFTP. Gain admin privileges with the command sudo I. Establish an SFTP connection with the command shown here. If your server uses a custom port, use this. If you prefer a GUI, use GNOME files or an SFTP-compatible FTP client like FileZilla. And don't forget, always backup your data as Contabo doesn't provide automatic backups. For Windows to Linux transfers, the best method is SFTP via FileZilla. Install FileZilla client on your Windows computer. Set up an SFTP connection to your Linux Contabo server. Check the instructions linked in the description. Drag and drop your files to upload them to the server. Since FTP is not installed by default, you will need to establish SFTP instead. One important note, Contabo doesn't automatically backup your data as per the terms of a service. Always manually backup important files to avoid data loss. And that's it. Now you know how to upload files to your Contabo server using different methods for Windows and Linux. Choose the right method based on your operating system. Use SFTP for secure file transfers. Backup your data regularly. Contabo doesn't store backups for you. If you found this video helpful, like it, subscribe to our channel for more Contabo tutorials, and leave any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy hosting with Contabo!